Still on FLA-related issues, a senior official of the Ministry of National Security is this evening rubbishing claims by the former minister of a review panel to review firearms applications. Robert Montague made the statement at a press conference where he also sought to challenge TVJ's exclusive story about a man with questionable character being granted a gun permit after it was initially rejected. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
The country is still waiting to hear why Person A got a gun license, even though the police said he was a member of a criminal gang and involved in lottery scamming. The FLA board and review board didn't approve the gun license, but former National Security Minister Robert Montague used his powers under the Firearms Act and overruled their decision. This was Mr. Montague on August 10.
I empaneled a committee of 6 persons, very senior within the national security framework, to sit as a part of an appeals panel. I did not do it alone. An important facet of this committee, empaneled by me as minister, perhaps the most important thing the country should note, is that all decisions granted to give permits after the appeals was heard had to be unanimous.
Since then, there have been questions about the legality of Mr. Montague's 6-member panel. His statement in August led to this question at Tuesday's sitting of the Internal and External Affairs Committee of Parliament.
Could you, PS, give us the terms of reference of this panel and who are the members of this panel? And if it is still operational, and if not, over what period was it operational?
I'm not responsible for how a minister or former minister describes the administrative support. There's no TOR. The Protected Security Division collects the information that comes in from the FLA and puts it together and provides it to the minister, who makes a decision.
Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of National Security, Diane McIntosh, gave more details of the support unit.
They provide the information on file as to each of case by case. Whether they sit together or they sit one-on-one with the minister, that is an administrative support being provided. There is no formal appointment. The ministry provides administrative support to the minister when reviewing the appeals. And the minister himself makes the decisions on these appeals.
What the PS has clearly said today is that that review panel is a pure linguistic fiction. There no such thing exists.
Well, she might not have used those words. That is your interpretation.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.